Hi, what's up guys? I'm Jing. A lot of people want to know my color grading steps in the comment section or want to know what I have done for certain tone of my video. So let's talk about it in this video. Before I start, I hope you give a like to this video and subscribe my channel. I have released many tutorial videos about color correction. Every single video I only talk about one step. But after you watch all of them, you might be confused about how to use all the steps in one shot. Well, don't worry, I will explain to you. First, let's take a look at this clip as an example. After the before and after comparison, does it feel that the color is much nicer and the shot looks more cinematic? Okay, let me show you my steps in Premiere Pro.
Okay, let's see this video. You can tell even the video is not really stable, but how to stabilize it, let's talk about later. So the first step, let's just adjustment layer. Then you drag it to a timeline. Now you can see on the screen right, we can see the Lumetri color. So before that, I suggest you open your Lumetri scoping so you can see the range of your colors. So for now, let's drag down the shadow. So you can see something reach to 0, you can stop there. Also for the highlights, the same thing. You drag up and see something reach to 100, then you stop. For the white balance, you just pick up some white color from the video. Then for the first step of color correction, you just use your own judgment to adjust the exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, whatever you can do in this video to make it look right. So we drag the shadow down a little bit, white color, higher, saturation, higher a little bit. So for now, I think we finished the first step of our color correction. And now you can add another adjustment layer for your color grading. Then drag it to your timeline. For this video, I want to give the feeling it's like really sad and cold. So let's cooler the temperature a bit more. Then for the trees, you can change the tint a little bit. Okay, let's go to the curve. So you can pick the color from the tree or give the range. Let's see from warm to cold, include all the color on the trees. Then drag it down and desaturate the trees. Then you can see the difference. And I want video look even darker. So you can darker the exposure, lower the contrast, highlight, shadow. Then you can add a little bit more black in the dark area. Okay, desaturation a little bit. So let's go to the curve. So 3 points is easier for you to adjust the curve nicely. So let's adjust a bit highlight and shadow, also for the green colors. Drag it down a little bit. Color for the shadows, also do a little bit. Okay. Then you can see the difference. So for HSL secondary keys, I'd love to even bluer the trees. So let's pick a color from the tree. Then you can play around with the sliders. Once you see the tree separate from the background, that's what we want. Okay, I think it's down there, and denoise it and make it bluer. Okay, on the color wheels, you can change the color from the trees, make it a bit bluer and darker a little bit. Colder, desaturated. And what I would like to do is add a little bit of vignette. Just show people and catch people's eyes to the center of the image. So adjust it a little bit. Now we can see the difference. Maybe I want to desaturate the tree a little bit more, so we go to curve. So make the range even bigger for the warm colors. So you can see the difference. And for the hue colors, also you add a range to make all the warm color even colder. So go to Effect, search Warp Stabilizer, because at the beginning we see the video is not really stable, so we stabilize it and just wait a little bit. And now when we play, you can see the video become very smooth. Then the last step, just export. So format H264 is fine. If you can't find the preset of the resolution, just match the source. The last step, just change the bit rate. So VBR1 pass. Change the number to 60. Or you can choose 50, 40, 80, doesn't matter. The number is higher, the image quality is even better. Which means like on press is less. Then give a name and save it and export.
I hope that some of my steps will help you for your color grading. It doesn't mean that you have to follow all my steps, but before the color grading, I hope you think about what you want this shot to show, what kind of feeling you want to deliver, and then start to grade it. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye.